guys, welcome back to my channel. Good day to you all, and this is a graphic design class. So basically, as I said earlier, it's a graphic design class, and the aim of this class is to help individuals to learn on graphic design, or even make a business out of it like I do. So I didn't want to keep this knowledge to myself, so I decided to spread it to the world and you watching. So let's get into it. The app we'll be specifically using is Canva. I don't know if you heard of it, but it's a really good app for graphic designers because you can create Instagram posters, as you can see here. So now, and today's topic will be how to create a business card with Canva app. Open bracket learning with Canva application. So first of all, you go to your search section and search for business card. Do not search for it fully because it will show you some options. Then you see rounded business card. Down, I want you to tap on the first one. Yes, rounded business card, the first one. Then we will go down and tap on this Rufus keyword, the one with a green and blue. I'm not sure if that's the right one I tapped, but let's see. I hope it is. Let's see. One thing you don't know about Canva is Canva auto saves your design. Whatever you do, it saves it for you. No, it's not the one. So let's go back and pick the correct one. So back, let's pick the correct one. Yes, and don't forget, in case you already tapped the right one, hang on there and wait for me, so that I can get mine and we start from scratch. So now search for business card. Business. I don't know why my phone always hangs up. So you tap on rounded business card. Yes. After tapping rounded business cards, we use the Rufus keyword, which is free. And on Canva, they are both paid and premium. So for all my designs, I'm using the free elements and icon so that you guys don't have to pay for it. So now we are here and let's begin from scratch. Yes. So now let's change all this and turn it black. Let's turn all this. I think we should delete all these elements and everything. Delete everything and the writing, everything. I want you to delete everything. Delete. Like every element there, I want you to delete them. Delete element. Delete this also. Delete them. Delete group. Yes. So now you see we have a plain green page. So now let's change this page to black color. Let's change to black. Black color. Let's change to black color. Yes. Now we're back to black color, guys. So let's start our creation. Now tap on the plus icon and search for shapes. So now let's see shapes. Yes. Let's search for shapes. So when you search for shapes, there's a particular shape that I use and it's a tree-colored shape. The reason why I pick a tree-colored shape is because it will bring out the foundation of my design, and this is the shape you're supposed to choose. It is a curved square, yes, with 3 colors. So now change to orange. So the code of the orange I'm going to use will be hashtag D18 hashtag D18 A22. Yes, this is the color. So now we got our orange color. Then we go for the next one. You change the second one also to your orange color, and then the third one you change it to black color so it won't go out of theme. So now if you want to get the perfect accuracy, I want you to use the nudge. Now get back. Just continue to go back. It is already aligned. That's why I prefer you use the nudge so that your work will be perfectly aligned. So now instead of sometimes duplicating don't go as we planned. I think we should use the nudge one more time. Yes, it's okay. So now instead of you to duplicate sometimes condemns your work. So I think we should just pick the shape again. So tap on the shape and it will bring us back to the home page. Oh, I double tapped it. So now we change it to the orange, second one orange, and the third one black. Do not forget. And the third one is black. So now we go to nudge and take it to the side. So tap, back. Let's go back. So I think this is okay. Yes, this is okay. So now what we have to do is we have to look for a circle shape, not the 3D, a normal circle shape with this, and change it to white color. Now let's go look for white, change it to white and trim, and allow it to be this small. Then you bring it here. Yes, you bring it here. Once you bring it here, we tap on the plus icon and go to upload. It is the neighbor to elements. Then upload your logo. Just tap on this upload media and then tap on the image you want to upload and bring it out. So this is my logo. So I have to trim and insert it here. And make sure it's properly inserted. I think I should reduce the size, but let's zoom in and see. Now, let's see. I think this is okay. So now we pick this and this. So now we zoom out, and I think we should group it. Once you group it, tap on the plus icon again and go to text. Then you tap on this little one here. You see a bit of little body text. Let it load and you see it, which is the third one there. This is the third one. Tap on it and then edit. I want you to try the name of your company. Mine is in all uppercase. Mine is Miami Graphics. I think that's not what I wrote there. Yes, not the same. I wrote Artha. How? Weird, right? But let's just edit it. So Miami Graphics. Now let's change the font to Anton. Let's go and check font and tap on Anton. I think Anton is not. Yes, Anton. Anton is a free font, so you don't have to worry about it. After you tap on Anton, check the font size. You're supposed to change it to 8. Now change it to 8. Then bring it to the side of this. Guys, we are done with the front page. Alright? So guys, now we are done with the front page. Let's go to the next page. So guys, let's tap on this page. I think I duplicated 2 pages, but let's check. Alright, tap on this and just delete it. Just delete the page. Just delete the whole page. I think we should just delete everything. So delete. No, I duplicated it instead. So delete the group. Yes. delete this also, delete group, and delete the color, or you can just change the color. So change the color to black and bring down your shape, tap on the plus icon, go to elements and bring down your shape. Yes, once your shape is brought, change the colors of your shape to the same color as the orange, black, orange, black. Keep that in your head. Orange, black, orange, black, orange, and black, orange, and black. So now go to nudge and take it back. Yay, take it back. No, what did I touch? Alright. Nudge again, back. Nudge, take it back. Make sure it's perfect. To me, I'm a perfection when it comes to designs, because I don't like anything to be wrong. So I think we should just duplicate this. We should just duplicate it. Then nudge. Then we go to nudge and take it to its place. But first, I think we should align the both of them, then take it there. So now I think this is okay. Yes, this is okay. So now you tap on the plus icon and look for a circle. Then after you look for a circle, I want you to change the color to a white color. No, then reduce the size the way we did before, but it should be a little bigger than that. No, not that much. I think you should just leave it the size as it is. So now bring it here, not that much close to it. Then bring your logo and go to your uploads, logo, reduce the size and bring it here. I think it's too big. Then bring it here. Bring the logo here. So I think that's okay. Let's add one more thing and I'll see you in the next video. So tap on the plus icon, go to elements, then search for lines. Search for lines. Yes, LINES, lines. Then you tap on a thin line. You see different kinds of line, but the specific one we want to use, which is this, the one that doesn't have the single line. Yes. Then you tap on weight, yes, and change the 5 to 1. When you change it, auto rotate it, or rotate it like this. I want you to rotate it and then reduce. I want you to reduce the size. Then bring it here. Bring it here. I think it's okay here. Then tap on this. Then tap on the plus icon and search for shapes. Shapes. Yes. When you tap on shapes, and then you search for a circle. So reduce it and apply it here. So I think this is where we'll stop in this video. See you in our next video. Thank you. Wait for part 2.